Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On this one I have this VW Golf SV. This is a 2014. Just gonna show you where the air filter is in this particular car. This is a petrol engine, automatic, and basically the air filter is sitting inside of this box. So to remove this box, we just need to disconnect the two hoses that are connected on the sides. I've already disconnected this one and that one, so you need like a pair of pliers to open the clamp, and then you can pull that out. But it's easier to do this one first, so I clamped this one up and then I released it, because this one is a bit hard to release while this is still plugged in. Also, this hose will just pull it out. It's a bit hard to pull out actually, but because it gets a bit stuck, but it's doable. And then, so before you release this one, you can pull this cover, this whole thing up, and it will pop out from its mount, and then this will obviously still be connected here. Then you can release the clamp, put the clamp back, and then you will be able to pull this out a little bit easier. After that, you turn this around and you open these Phillips screws, which I already opened as well, and then you push these clips back in. So again, I've already pushed the little clips in a little bit. There's 4 of them. There's another one there and another one here. This one is on at the moment, but you just basically push it and push the cover. Okay, so with a screwdriver you can just you can wedge it between maybe here and one of these sides while pressing on these little clips, and then this cover will start to pop out like that. And that's what we're going to do all around. But once you got it out of the clips, the cover will just pop up basically. Obviously everything is a lot easier with 2 hands. Okay, so here's our filter. Take the filter out. It's not too bad, it's getting a little bit dirty. This is a MAN filter. The part is C27009. There it is. And then refitting this will be just a reversal of removal, and obviously you can't really fit it like that. It has to go in like that, otherwise these bits won't match these holes here. But also, before you fit that back in, I'm waiting for my filter, so I won't be fitting it back again. Just you can clean all this dirt in here. You can blow it out or just give it a wipe, whichever way you may do it. Just give it a little wipe in there, and then you can go ahead and refit, put your new filter in, and then put it back in. It's not really that hard of a job. So on that note, I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.